Since 1950, on 26 January, Republic Day in India is celebrated. On this day, flag hosting ceremonies and parades by armed force are held at Rajpath, New Delhi. Let us have a look at the interesting fact about the Republic Day parade. On this day, President of India addresses the nation. It also shows the huge image of the country's rich cultural heritage and military progress. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was implemented in the country. That is why we celebrate 26 January as Republic Day every year. Every Indian feels pride while seeing the national flag unfurling on Republic Day. Do you know every year around 2 lakhs people come to watch the parade of 26 January. In order to ensure proper conduct of the parade, thousands of soldiers and several other people are actively involved in the process. The formal responsibility to organize the parade lies in the Defense Ministry, in which it is assisted by different organizations. So now we are going to know about the 13 interesting facts about the parade of 26 January. First, as we all know that every year the organization of the parade on 26 January is done on Rajpath, situated in New Delhi. But do you know that Rajpath was not the organizing center for the parade from 1950 to 1954? During these years, the 26 January parade was held at Arvind Stadium, now National Stadium, Kingsway, Red Fort and Ramlila Maidan respectively. Rajpath became the permanent venue for the parade of 26 January from 1955. Rajpath was known by the name Kingsway at that time. Second, every year the Prime Minister, President or the ruler of any nation is invited as a guest for the 26 January parade. The first parade held on 26 January 1950. President of Indonesia, Dr. Sukarno, was invited as a guest. However, in 1955, when the first parade was held at Rajpath, the Governor General of Pakistan, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, was invited. Third, the parade event on 26 January begins with the arrival of the President. First of all, the cavalier bodyguards of the President salute the national flag, and during this time the national anthem is played and 21 gun salute is also given. But do you know that firing is not done with 21 cannon? Instead, 7 cannon of the Indian Army, which are known as 25 pounders, are used for firing in 3 rounds. The interesting fact is that the time of gun salute firing matches with the time at which the national anthem is played. First firing occurs at the start of the national anthem and the last firing occurs right after 52 seconds. These cannon were made in 1941 and are involved in all the formal programs of the army. 4. All the participants of the parade get ready by 2 am and arrive at the Rajpath by 3 am. But the preparation for the parade begins in July of the previous year, where all the participants are formally informed about their participation. Till August, they practice parade at their related regiment center and reach Delhi by December. The participants have already practiced for 600 hours before performing on the 26 January formally. 5. A special camp near the premises of the India Gate is organized for all the tanks, armed vehicles and modern equipment showing military power of India. The investigation process for each cannon and the work of whitewash is performed in 10 stages. 6. For rehearsal for the parade of the 26 January, each group covers the distance of 12 kilometers, but on the day of 26 January, they cover the distance of 9 kilometers only. Judges are seated all through the way of parade who judge every participating group based on 200 parameters, and based on these judgments, the best marching group title is awarded. 7. Every activity performed on 26 January parade event is pre-organized, right from the beginning till the end. Therefore, even the smallest error and delay by the fewest minutes could cost heavily to the organizer. 8. Each army personnel who participate in the event of parade have to pass through 4 levels of investigation. Besides these, their arms are thoroughly checked to ensure that their arms are not loaded with live bullets. 9. The tableaus involved in the parade move with a speed of about 4 km per hour so that important people can watch them thoroughly. You will be surprised to know that the driver of these tableaus drive them through a small window. 10. The most fascinating part of the event is flypast. The responsibility for flypast lies on the Western Air Force Command, which involves participating of 41 aircrafts. The aircrafts involved in parade take off from different centers of the Air Force and reach the Rajpath at a fixed time. 11. According to an information obtained through RTI, the expenditure of about 320 crore rupee was incurred in the parade event held in 2014 parade. In 2001, this expenditure was about 145 crore. In this manner, the expenditure made on 26 January parade has increased by 54.51% from 2001 to 2014. So this all for today. If this video touched you, please like this video, share this video, subscribe our channel, check other video in our channel list. Till then, goodbye and happy Republic Day in advance.